Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo black screen. Your iPhone used to operate properly and handle daily tasks, but now it's acting up. The device turns off on its own and won't turn on full when trying to restart it. The only thing that appears on the screen is a black screen with a white Apple logo that gets stuck for a long while. If you're not sure what should be your next course of action to get an iPhone out of stuck black screen with an Apple logo, here are the answers. Why is an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo black screen? Insufficient battery level, temporary system outages, and unrecognized malware threat are common culprits. Unintentional falls and exposure to water could also result in your iPhone frozen on black screen with an Apple logo. In rare instances, jailbreaking failure could render serious startup issues like this. Next, this video will provide simple approaches and detailed tutorial of how to fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo black screen. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Work your way down until your phone turns back on to the home screen properly. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Charge your iPhone's battery. Use the cable and charger that came with your iPhone from the box to charge the device by plugging into a power outlet. You can also use a MagSafe charger to juice up the battery if your iPhone supports wireless charging. After around 1 hour, see if the stuck black screen with Apple logo screen unfreezes and your iPhone completes the boot up process to load the lock screen. Press buttons to force your iPhone to reboot. If your iPhone still has a black screen with Apple logo after charging, shut it down then power it back on. It not only helps clear the bugs and errors that prevent the phone from starting up, but also refreshes system memory registers to keep the device run more smoothly. The display is unresponsive. It's okay, as this trick won't require you to touch the screen. Make sure to disconnect any peripherals and remove any screen protector or phone cover. Once you're ready, follow these steps tailored to your particular iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up key, then the volume down key, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears again. For iPhone 7, press and hold both the home key and power key together until the Apple logo pops up again. For iPhone 6s or older, keep holding both the home key and power key together until you see the Apple logo again. Now, wait for the restart to complete. When the screen boots up and lock screen appears, it means that you managed to fix an iPhone stuck on black screen with the Apple logo. Attempt an advanced troubleshooting mode. Is there a computer near you? If there is, it'll be a good helper to deal with the problem when your iPhone gets stuck on black screen with white Apple logo. Apple has released several applications to troubleshoot system issues on its devices, including iTunes, Apple Devices App or Finder. They can be easily downloaded and installed in a Windows or macOS computer. When it comes to how to make an unresponsive iPhone that's freezing on Apple logo black screen contact with the program, the recovery mode is the official key. We'll show you how to do that in the following. Connect your iPhone to a computer that has installed the latest version of iTunes, Apple Devices App or Finder. To enter recovery mode, follow the steps that apply to your specific iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up key once, press the volume down key once, and then press the power key and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds. For iPhone 7, press both the volume down key and the power key together and keep holding them for around 10 to 15 seconds. For iPhone 6s or earlier, press both the home key and power key together and keep holding them for around 10 to 15 seconds. When a recovery mode screen with a laptop and a cord comes up on your iPhone, it indicates that you're in recovery, so just let go of the buttons you're pressing. For beginners, it sometimes takes a few tries to succeed, so feel free to attempt again if you fail. Now, your iPhone in recovery mode should be quickly recognized by the computer and the program. At this time, there will be a dialog box popping up from the running application. Update and restore options are given. Start with the update button to install the latest iOS, which can help resolve an iPhone stuck on black screen with white Apple logo without causing data loss. Complete the on-screen instructions prompted by iTunes, Apple Devices App or Finder on your computer. The update process should start soon and may take at least 1 hour to end. After the update, take a look if your iPhone turns on past the Apple logo black screen and loads the lock screen. If the issue is not sorted out, use the restore button given by the application to restore your iPhone to factory defaults. It's advisable to proceed with this trick only after ensuring you have a recent backup to avoid the risk of losing files. Check if your iPhone needs repairs. Till now, you can't ignore the hardware issues when iPhone gets stuck on black Apple logo screen. Maybe the power button is broken. Perhaps the screen is damaged inside. Or, the battery is defective. Whatever, the only thing that's left to do now is to contact support. You can browse the official website to reach the phone or chat options and initiate a chat with a support representative for real-time assistance. Or, take the device to an authorized repair store to perform a full diagnosis. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo black screen. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.